we are heading to Darlington just for one night.
Yeah.
Visiting friends at their campsite. We're gonna check it out.
This is our first time to go to Darlington.
Yeah, 2-hour drive.
I googled, some people liked it, some people don't.
Adrian's already complained about a train, so
Yeah, that's what I heard. Train and 401.
yeah. Okay, see you there.
Here we are, Darlington.
It's pretty nice because you just went straight down there and there's the water.
Right by the water. Oh, the smell is crazy. Oh, it smells like that fish. Oh. What? What's so funny? It is. Hey.
Where should we park?
Right here.
Okay.
Yeah. It's a small site.
Where'd you park?
There's like a park. There's like a additional parking
nice.
over here.
Okay.
I left this open so you can park just across
Okay.
the front here.
So our side is 183, and this side is bigger. This is 182, and they have a regular firing. Our firing is ridiculous.
Sounds all right.
Show it to the internet. Look what we got here.
The poorest of grills.
We're on the trail to the beach.
The traffic will make it hard to get. You're driving the same distance. Yeah, it's like
Very busy. We're going back to our campsite. Any comments?
A little rocky on the beach. A little smelly.
Yeah.
Need shoes. Yeah. Water.
Yeah. Or something like this. Yeah, the walk from the beach to our campsite is only about 5 minutes, and there's only the little trails like this, which is very nice. We have our fire starting, and they're starting to cook. I'm here in a camper. I'm preparing this. It's a lotus root. I'm going to make some Asian street food style barbecue using some lotus root. I bought this from TNT. You just wash it and slice them. Yep. So here we go. It's not very easy to do because the sticks are too thick. It's ready. I'm going to put it on the fire. We have chili pepper and cumin. Meanwhile, my lotus root is still cooking. This one looks really sad. First time cook on a campfire, so a good try though. Yeah, looks good.
Okay, I'm gonna get the other plates.
So we have our burger ready. How's the burger?
Very good.
Very good. Lotus root is still cooking.
A few moments later.
Okay, this is the shower. Some random things in here. Oh my god. And this weird thing. I have no idea how to use it. Like this. I don't know. Okay. And very small. Very, very small. Okay.
Moments later.
Just come back from the shower. I have to say, this is probably the worst shower I have been to. As I showed in the clip, it's very small. It's dirty. You can see those random underwear and body wash, lotion. Just apparently nobody come to clean it. And compared to the one we went to last week in Darlington Provincial Park, or the one we went earlier, McGregor, or even last year, Campfire, Pinery, they're all better. So sorry Darlington, I really want to like it, but unfortunately I'm not impressed. I kind of regretted going, but I'm also glad I went because I can give you guys the honest opinion, because I know a lot of people are interested to see how the bathroom, how the shower situation in the campground. It is very important. So, yeah. Can you guys hear the train? It is super loud. Now it's 12 a.m. No wonder people complain about it. Yeah, only one night here, so we're leaving. Here's some footage of the campground.
Quite a big lineup from dump station. Okay, the wood here is not good. We bought like 4 bags.
Yeah.
Not good.
Oh, there's some cute Darlington mugs. Very cute. Like these ones. Beautiful. So, the stickers.
You go whenever you're ready.
I forgot to mention that my lotus root BBQ wasn't that good. I will probably try something else. Maybe some mushrooms. I don't know. So yeah, we're leaving.